And now we can set up your first automations. So we go back to ActiveCampaign automations. And the great thing about this, when you will be using ActiveCampaign, and I will be able to share with you my automations with just one link. So below the training that you are watching right now, in the resources area, there is a free training follow-up email automation. Now, if it won't work if you just click on it, you need to copy a link address, and then we go back to ActiveCampaign. We create an automation, and we import an automation, and here we paste the link. So make sure you do it just like I showed you, because if you just click on it, it's not going to work. So we click on Get Started, and so the first step, like, you want to put your first name here, and now you want to put here your business email. You cannot use like the Gmail because your emails will go to spam. So you want to use that business email that we just set up in Google Workspace. Right. And next. And you want to do this for all emails, okay? So, because we are going to basically follow up with people who sign up for our training. Remember, most people actually will sign up with you after they see you multiple times. That's how it works, right? Most people, when like they forget and they get distracted or something, so that's why we need to follow up with people. And many sales actually happens on these follow-ups, so that's why it's so important to have your email list and automations in place. So now when we put it there, we want to make sure that it's actually connected to ClickFunnels, okay? So we go to ClickFunnels application funnel, and then we come to our first registration page. We hit edit page, and here in settings you click on integrations, you add ActiveCampaign, you choose add to list with tag, and we choose our list that we just created, digital course free training, and here we put our tag, which is free training register. Free. Make sure that you put it just like I'm doing it, with the underscores, or how is it called? Free training register. So the automation actually gets triggered, right? Let me see if you can copy it here. Now you need to, oh yeah, when you click on it, you can just copy it, and then you can paste it here. So it makes you need to be exactly the same. And then we save it. And now you want to open your page, your funnel, and put your email, some other email, and see if you will be like receiving these emails. But you always want to double check everything. But first we need to set up those emails, all right? So as you can see, you don't have to edit the hours and days and like when the emails will actually get sent, because we found out that these are the best times to send it to, and that's when people are actually opening their emails, and we will be sending every day one email, right? We will send 5 emails in this automation, and if you want, you can, like, later on you can add more emails if you want to, but this is great to get started with. So we need to make sure if ActiveCampaign gives you some instructions, you want to follow it. So we go to edit our first email, and so you want to change my name to yours here, all right? And basically edit it everything so it actually matches your business and your offer. And you want to keep this here, just put your name here. This is great because this prevents your emails from going to spam. When people add you to the contact list, then they will see your emails, right? So you can keep it here, just edit your name and what's like the text if you want to. And here we want to take people through the steps. So when they actually sign up for our training, they need to watch it first. So you want to exchange your links as well. So this is where you want to put your training link. So you come back to your ClickFunnels account, you go to free training, and you open it and you grab the link, the one that actually opens, right? And you want to click on this link and exchange it to yours, because if you don't, then people will be coming to watch my training, right? So, and then when they watch the training, they can schedule a free strategy session with you. Make sure you change names everywhere. And then you want to link your calendar. You do the same, you open it, you copy the link, and you put it here. Okay, and here you can put your Facebook group again, right? And then when you are done with it and you are satisfied with everything, you want to read through it and change it around if you want to, and then you want to hit this icon, and you can keep this name like this. It works good. These emojis in the beginning increase open rates of the emails. Make sure that you put your business email here and as well as here, and you see, so ActiveCampaign always makes sure that your emails do not go to spam. So if there is something wrong, it will tell you here in the bottom. So our reply address was not our business address, so that's why it showed here. But now if we close it and open it again, it should disappear, right? Now there is no spam warning or anything. And when it's like this passed and you are satisfied with everything, you can save and exit. And you want to do this with all of these emails. As I told you, so this is basically, you need to set up that mailing address, like your business address in settings, and in here addresses, because otherwise you will have that warning there and you are obligated to have an actual mailing address if you want to send this email. So make sure you create it. Okay, so let's go back, and so you want to edit after you put that address there, this should disappear. And then you want to edit like the second email again. You go to edit, and you want to read through it and change the words so it matches your niche and offer. And so this is our training link. So again, you want to grab your free training link and exchange it here, right? And here, schedule a free strategy session. Here you want to put your calendar again, and then change things around here as well. Right, and check if it's okay. So spam check passed, and then save and exit. So you want to do this with all of the emails, and when you are done, make sure that you activate it here actually, because this is something that also many people forget, even me at times, and then I wonder like why is not my email automation working, right? So make sure you activate it, and after you put your mailing address and everything, you want to come to your landing page, and then you want to put some of your emails like Gmail or some other here, and see if you actually receive, you should receive the email in 1 hour, right? And then you should receive another one the next day, right? At 6 p.m. in your current time zone, and see if it's actually working. And another thing is actually what you can do. You can send a test email right from the ActiveCampaign here. Test your campaign, so you can put some email of yours and send test email and check it out if your links are working, if you put it correctly in there and everything. Okay,